In this video, we're reviewing Bigpipe, a New Zealand internet provider known for simplicity. Check the description for plan details. Bigpipe is popular with users who want straightforward, reliable internet without the extras. It's ideal for tech-savvy individuals, gamers, and households needing high-performance connectivity. Bigpipe offers unlimited data plans with 3 speeds: standard, fast, and max fiber. Max Fiber delivers ultra-fast speeds up to 900 megabits per second, perfect for gamers, streamers, or anyone needing low latency. Bigpipe focuses solely on broadband, meaning no bundle TV or phone services, keeping prices competitive. A standout feature is their contract-free flexibility. Start or stop your service anytime. Their self-service setup lets you manage your plan, troubleshoot, and upgrade online. Bigpipe supports advanced features like static IPs, ideal for gamers and remote workers. For added security, their optional VPN provides extra privacy. Customer support is online via email and live chat. Their team responds promptly, and their website has extensive FAQs. Installation is easy, and you can bring your own modem or buy one from Bigpipe. Bigpipe is competitively priced, especially for contract-free flexibility and reliable, no-frills internet. However, its broadband-only focus may not suit those wanting bundled entertainment. Bigpipe is excellent for fast, hassle-free internet with adaptable freedom. Share your Bigpipe experiences in the comments below.